What are the benefits of using InVideo? InVideo is a video creation platform that offers several benefits to its users. Here are some of the best benefits of using InVideo. Number 1. User-friendly. InVideo is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Even if you have no experience in video editing, you can quickly learn how to use InVideo to create professional-looking videos. Number 2. Wide range of templates. InVideo provides users with a wide range of customizable templates that can be used to create different types of videos, such as promotional videos, social media videos, and more. Number 3. Customization options. InVideo allows users to customize their videos by adding text, images, music, and animations. Users can also change the font, color, and size of the text, as well as the speed and timing of the animations. Number 4. Stock footage and images. InVideo provides users with access to a vast library of stock footage and images that can be used to enhance their videos. This feature is particularly useful for those who do not have their footage or images to use. Number 5. Affordable pricing. InVideo offers affordable pricing plans that make it accessible to businesses and individuals of all sizes. Number 6. Collaboration features. InVideo allows users to collaborate on video projects by sharing access with team members, making it easy to work together on video projects. Number 7. Cloud-based. InVideo is a cloud-based platform, which means that users can access it from anywhere, as long as they have an internet connection. This feature makes it easy to work on video projects from home or while on the go. Overall, InVideo is a powerful and versatile video creation platform that offers many benefits to its users.